Welcome friends. This is another video in the AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty Certification Exam preparation material. So today we'll be going through the AWS DMS or the Database Migration Service. Again, this is again in the same sequence. It is a fairly simple service that does not get asked very extensively in the exam, but there are some points with related to the service that we should know and understand. So as the name suggests, this is one of the services that is used for quickly and securely migrate the databases to AWS. It's a resilient service and it's self-healing. So any kind of transformation or migration that we take care, most of the things that AWS takes care by itself. So even at the time of the actual transformation or migration, the source database is still available for query. So that's why it's called resilient and self-healing. Now it supports homogeneous migration, that is, for example, from an Oracle data source to another Oracle data source within AWS, or heterogeneous migration where, for example, Microsoft SQL Server data store or database is converted to Aurora. So it can support both. It uses continuous data replication using CDC, and we will need one EC2 instance at least to perform the replication task when we use this service. Now the question, or inadvertently, the way questions are asked in the exam, they try to confuse or compare data migration service with Glue. Again, quick recap of Glue. Glue is the actual service, or the core purpose of Glue is ETL. It runs Apache Spark code. The code could be Scala or Python based. It's purely focused on ETL. It is not focused on any configuration or managing the resources, and it generates catalogs for the data which could be used by Athena or Redshift. DMS, database migration service, on the other hand, it's purely a service for migrating the data. It is a continuous data replication service, while Glue, when we compare, runs in batches. Minimum batch size for Glue is 5 minutes. Service, it is basically it's purely just a transformation of data. There is no modification or ETL that can be performed while using DMS, and only post the migration is completed ETL can be performed. So DMS is like a complementary service to Glue. Basically, first we can transform the data or migrate the data from one source to another using DMS, and on top of that data we can perform ETL if needed using Glue. So that's how these two services are linked. So that's it about AWS DMS service. This is, like I said, it's a fairly simple service, and not much gets asked in the exam related to it, but some of the things that we want to understand, or we should understand about this service, I have tried to cover that in this video. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.